Community?
Didn't hear that.
No idea. Have you seen the boards around here?
What?
Yeah.
What?
The written
Board.
things, signboards.
Yeah.
Biodiversity.
So this organization is something on biodiversity. Hope you must be knowing this name, right? Biodiversity is a big name in which you have all these kinds of things, whatever you have here. The plants, the animals, the soil, the water, everything. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to research on biodiversity, research on plants, research on rice, research on frogs, butterflies. Right. And how do we do that? For observation, yes, it's of course you can see and learn. But what next? Is learning itself is based on observation only? What is the next step? Yes, I've seen this. Have you seen this? This climbers. What do you call this? The climber plant. Creepers. So, how can I know this plant?
Like put things where we stand.
Okay, but who planted it here? That's the question.
No one.
No one.
God.
Well-
Something something flying. I don't know what it's called. So I think that only when they
Okay, fine.
and the rain made it.
Okay, so simply for your information, this was planted by us. Okay, that's another case. I'll
They are
tell
the
you.
god.
So, not a god, but us. But the thing is that for understanding this particular climber, you have to see it, right? It is just because of what we planted here, you can see it. Otherwise, how do we see it?
Have to go to the jungle.
Jungle, yeah, deep forest. So, somebody has to go to the jungle and forest, find it, then identify it, right? You have to call it in a name. Otherwise, what will we normally do?
It can do
Put number, right? Yes, I have seen one climber. This is number 1, this is number 2. What after that? There comes another support. If somebody from the jungle, somebody from the forest, a man, a woman who knows that particular plant, he or she will tell you the name, right?
Yeah.
Name first. Okay, this is plant so and so. And what it is used for? It's a creeper. So what exactly it's used for?
It goes up like that.
That's okay. It's everything is there.
Grapes
But-
can grow on.
Yeah, this particular plant has got some grapefruit, and crow eats it, or some other birds will use for its nesting. So and so, so many knowledge, right? He or she or start telling you all these stories, right? Then what you do?
Then they, I don't know.
So I used to write it. I think you don't use writings, right?
No, we do. Use.
Use, but not at the first step, right? You wanted to listen first, you wanted to observe, then if you feel like writing, you start writing, right? Okay, so what we do is we will write the plant's name in local name, then we used to ask so many questions: what it is used for, how does it used for, how does it, so many questions, right? Then we used to collect the photographs, leaves, berries, and fruits. Then what we do is we will compare this with another list, in which we have already listed all these plants, right? Some scientists have already described this. He or she may already have found out this in the jungle, and she or he, they have already written about it. So we will compare this. Okay, then we understand. Okay, this plant is that. Then we have got another name. What it is called? The name, the person who mentioned name, it's a common name, right?
Yeah.
It's a local name. And the other one with a scientific one, there's always a scientific name, right? Do you know that?
Yeah.
For all plants and animals, there is a scientific name, right?
Yes.
Can you remember one? Any name? No, you'll see almost all these scientific names here when you go around, right? So that's what we do. Basically, we wanted to know the biodiversity, just like you. We wanted to know the biodiversity. We wanted to observe biodiversity, and secondly, we wanted to document that diversity.